Today I'll show you how to log out of Gmail on iPhone. Before we begin, there's one important thing to know. On iPhone, Google explains that in the Gmail app, signing out usually means removing your Google account from the app on that device. It is not the same as deleting your Gmail account completely. Google also notes that when you remove your Google account from the Gmail app on iPhone, you're signed out of other Google apps on that device too, including apps like YouTube and Maps. To start, open the Gmail app on your iPhone, then tap your profile picture in the top right corner. After that, tap Manage Accounts on this device. You should now see the Google account or Gmail accounts connected to the app. Find the account you want to log out of, then tap Remove from this device. Confirm the action, and that account will be signed out from Gmail on your iPhone. These are the main official steps Google gives for iPhone and iPad users. Now, here's something helpful to remember. If you have more than one Gmail account signed in on the app, make sure you remove the correct one. This is especially important if you use one account for personal emails and another for work, school, or business. Taking a second to double check can help you avoid signing out of the wrong account by mistake. Google's help page focuses on selecting the account from the account management screen before removing it from the device. There's also another option if your goal is to sign out from a different phone, tablet, or computer that you no longer have with you. Google says you can open your Google account, go to Security, find the Your Devices section, tap Manage All Devices, choose the device or session, and then tap Sign Out. That is useful if you logged in on someone else's device, an old iPhone, or a browser session you no longer trust. One more thing to keep in mind is that removing the account from the Gmail app on your iPhone does not delete the Gmail account itself. It only signs that account out from the app on that device. So later, if you want to use Gmail again on the same iPhone, you can simply add the account back and sign in normally. And that's how to log out of Gmail on iPhone. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.